And if I told you once, I ain't gonna tell you twice. Salute all my real ones. Yeah. Listen, champ, we got how air conditioning works. It's pretty simple. You get Storm from the X-Men, or you get Mr. Freeze from Batman, and you have them use their powers to blow cold into a tube and pass it through a building. Or you could get a really big block of ice and have the cold go up into a tube and pass it around the building. Or that's all I got. I ain't have a third one. We gonna get straight into the video. Like button, subscribe, on notification bell, press those. Let's go.
How air conditioning works. There are 8 main components that play a pivotal role in cooling your home. A thermostat, condenser, compressor, fan, metering device, evaporator,
You need the
blower,
liquid,
and a filter.
the cooling.
The first step begins with setting your thermostat to the desired temperature. This triggers the condenser fan and compressor to turn on. The compressor
You know, it'd be a dope prank if like somebody bought like a thermostat and then they just walked up to mad goons on the block and put the thermostat on their forehead and was like, "I'm just checking your temperature, G's," and then they get snuffed and walk away.
A fluid called a refrigerant throughout the system. This is used because of its low boiling point. Refrigerant constantly changes from a vapor to a liquid in order to move heat from inside your home to the outdoors. It enters the compressor as a low-temperature, low-pressure vapor. After it's compressed, it leaves as a high-temperature, high-pressure vapor. It then travels through the condenser coil, where the vapor condenses into a liquid. The heat it has collected indoors and after compression is released outside. The fan inside the unit helps with this process. The refrigerant leaves the condenser as a medium temperature, high pressure liquid, then flows to the metering device. In this case, a thermal expansion valve is used. A pin inside the valve adjusts the flow rate of refrigerant depending on the temperature at the evaporator end, using a sensing bulb. As it flows through the valve, its pressure drops significantly, releasing a low-temperature, low-pressure liquid vapor mix.
Wow.
The lower pressure allows room temperature air to boil the refrigerant. The chilled refrigerant then flows through the evaporator coil.
Yeah, yep. I knew that.
The blower begins circulating air throughout the house.
Mouth. You shouldn't be talking about
Room temperature air is
people
pulled
that
in through the return duct
like
and
that,
passes
bro.
through the filter to remove particulates. The heat from the air is absorbed into the refrigerant inside the evaporator coil, dispersing chilled air through the supply duct. As the air passes over the coil, the refrigerant is boiled and evaporates back into vapor form. During this process, condensation forms on the outside of the coil and exits through a condensate drain line. The refrigerant returns to the condenser to disperse the collected heat outdoors, and the cycle starts again. Your home is slowly cooled, and the thermostat shuts off the equipment once it senses the desired temperature.
Well, that's the end of this video right here. Air conditioning, man. Who would have thought that this was so entertaining and so great to learn? Luckily, it was only a 3-minute video. Anyway, let me know what y'all thought about it. Leave a comment in the comment section. My name is Reign. Catch you on the flip side. RCP salute. Wait for it.